Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to disable liquid glass on iOS 26. So let me directly get into it. So if you want to disable it, all we have to do is just go over here, press and hold here like this. Now you can see the icon starts to wiggle and you have to go over here. There is an option called edit, tap on this one, and there is an option called customized, tap on this one. And right now from here you have to change into the default one. So as you can see right now, the liquid glass is being gone right now, but that's not enough. But if you wanted to change over here, if you go to the control center, you can see this one is there. So if you wanted to change it, you have to follow these instructions. So just go over here, tap on the settings. Now from here you have to tap on the accessibility. Now from here you have to go to the display and text size, and you can see we have reduced transparency and increased contrast. We need to make changes with this. First go over here, turn on the reduced transparency, and before that you can see this is how it looks like. Now if I turn on this one, if I go back, you can see the transparency has been gone, and this is how it looks like. And also if I go over here, tap on increase contrast, what happens is the contrast will be increased and you'll be having a separate over here. So let me turn this on, and if I turn this, you can see all this kind of the back button has been changed. If you go over, you can see this is how the back button looks, and right now if I change, it's been over here. And also if you go back over here on the controls, you can see there is a kind of a bubble over here like this. Like if I turn this on, turn off, if I go over here, you can see there is nothing. But if I turn this on, you can see there is a complete like a border over here on this. And this is how we can do this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye bye.